Bonjour. Folk that's been to Jersey micht have heard local folk greet een another with one word. A word that sounds to outsiders like the French bonjour. You could even easy think that it is French, but it's nae. Jersey has its own language, Jèrriais, that's like French and nae like it. In that way it's like our Scots language. It's like English and nae like it. I was in Jersey mysel lately, and I had trysts with twa chiels says I could hear about the history of Jèrriais and about the state of it nowadays. Geraint Jennings works for Jersey Heritage, and that's a Thochts like our Historic Environment Scotland. He's fluent in Jèrriais, and he's one of the foremost experts on the whole subject. Ben Spink works for the Jersey Government's Office du Jèrriais, and oversees the workings of the government's Jèrriais Language strategy for 2022 to 2025. Folk say that North East Scots is dying out, though in 2017, that was the year of the earlier Jèrriais plan, Jèrriais was in a far worse state. Out of around 100,000 folk biding on the island, there was an estimate of just 500 folk left that kent Jèrriais, and gae near all of them were all folk over the age of 70. You can see the danger. The aim of the plan, and now the strategy, has been to mak sicker a future for the language. Ben Spink told me, and it was nae surprise, they'd taken a lot of their inspiration fae Manx Gaelic. Interest in one other language started to grow in the 1960s and 70s, and meanwhile the last native speakers had all died out by the mid-70s. For all that, nowadays Manx has been brought back to life. There's even a primary school for they teach arting in Manx. You'll understand that education has an important role in all this, and this might be for the whole thing hikers. There's a sair need for folk that can teach the language. Like Geraint Jennings telt me, training thon folk is at the core, and without this, and the siller to pay them and pay for the training, the whole thing will fa. Like mony things, it comes down to siller. There's a lesson here for the North East. It's nae that our language is going to want to do out altogether the morn, or next year, or even the year after. But you need to be deaf nae to notice that you dinna hear it ony mair for young folk in places for you'd have been sair pit nae to hear it nae so long syne. We hinna to let our language ging the way of Manx or Jèrriais. For now, and for all the time they spent with me, and for everything they telt me, to Geraint Jennings and Ben Spink I'll say, merci ben de fait. Mony thanks.